another video. As you all can see here by the title, today's video is going to be yet another fun video. I am going to be going over some male fragrance recommendations. Valentine's Day is coming up. As women, we're always, I guess, anticipating a gift or expecting a gift from our significant other. But I feel like it's very important to gift guys things as well, especially if you, I'm sorry y'all, my hair is like driving me a little nuts, but especially if you are expecting anything back from them. If you guys don't already know, I have been with my significant other now for the last 10 years. So all of these are colognes that I have purchased for him over the years. When we originally met, he only wore 2 fragrances. Issey Miyake during the day, and at night he would wear Dior's Fahrenheit. That's it. So I have definitely upgraded his life in the last 10 years. But I always purchase him some kind of cologne for his birthday, Valentine's Day, our anniversary, Christmas, things like that. And so these are some of the ones that in his collection that I like and I think are very, very, very good contenders for Valentine's Day gifts. If you're looking for something to get your guy, your dad, your sneaky link bitch, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, for Valentine's Day, I just think these all smell really, really good. Some of these I've also smelled like on my uncles, my dad, other male friends, and they smell really, really good as well. So I'll kind of point those out as we're going through. I'll just show you guys here. So this is what all of Clarence's fragrances sits on. It's just a Chanel tray that I got many years ago via a sales associate because I was buying perfume and cosmetics to that magnitude. And I ended up actually getting this as a gift with purchase. I actually have 2 of these. And this sits on his vanity side in our bathroom. And so these are the ones that I selected. There are others that he has, but these are the ones that I just think are the best for like gift giving. And so without any further ado, we're going to jump right in. All right, you guys. So I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to kind of grab them and go. But the first one here is Aqua Digio by Giorgio Armani. This is the Absolute Instinct. I'm sorry. I was going to call it Intense. I got this for Clarence on, was it Christmas last year? No, because I think it was like Father's Day last year. This is what it looks like. And this, you guys, is so bold. This is a very sexy man. It almost has like, if you smell like tobacco smoke, cigar smoke, it almost has like a very smoky undertone to it. This is so good. This is definitely for a grown man. This is not for like, you know, a younger guy, like a guy in his 20s or anything like that. No, this is like a boss scent for real. I love when Clarence wears this. I've gotten on him about wearing this to work because you ain't wearing this to work, okay? This is for doing things. This is not for going in the office, okay? This is just intoxicating. Like, you're gonna smell this and know it's a man, like a powerful man, not, I don't know. This is just gonna make you know it's a bossy man. Put it to you like that. Really good. I love this. So that is a very, very good recommendation if you are looking to kind of add something that's a little unique, because in my mind, men's scents are not that unique in my personal opinion, but this has a uniqueness to it because of that, like I said, that cigar smoke type scent that's in it. Next up is a scent by YSL. This is Yves Saint Laurent Eau Électrique La Nuit de la Homme. I don't know. It's by YSL. This is what the bottle looks like. And y'all, I love this. Love this. Now, I got this for Clarence on his birthday last year. Yeah, last year. I totally love this, okay? This is, if you are looking for a gourmand scent for a man, this is the one. This is sweet, but not like yucky sweet. It's very masculine, but it has a sweet undertone. I would definitely, you know, recommend that my guy wear this at night. I would not tell him to wear this during the day at all, which is where Clarence wears it. He wears it at night. Oh my God, he wore this on our last date night. It's just yummy and sweet. Like if you have ever heard that men like sweet scents on us, and it kind of, I don't know, just does something to them. That's what this is, like the male version. This is a very nice, gourmand, sweet male scent. Love this. The next scent is a classic scent. Y'all know how much I love Chanel, so it's no wonder that Chanel is gonna be all up and through this, because y'all, Chanel smells great on my man. Great on my man. I don't know about everybody else, man, but Chanel smells so good on him. Now, he was not a huge fan of the Eau de Parfum version of this scent, but he loves the Eau de Toilette. This is the Bleu de Chanel, and this is the Eau de Toilette version. Now, he has purchased this over and over and over again. He just loves it. It does have like the magnetic cap. He has the shower gel in this, and he also repurchases the deodorant. This is just like one of Clarence's favorite scents. When I bought it for him, honestly, I didn't think he was going to like it. And then when I saw him repurchase it like a year or so later, I was like, oh, you like that? And then 2 years later, he repurchased it again. He loves this. This has been in his collection since we started dating. He loves this. I love it on him. I love it on other people. My uncle has worn this before. I used to work with a guy that wore this all the time. This was like his signature scent. And I feel like this is a universal man scent. If you want to go a little luxurious because of the way they package this, and you want to just gift him something really nice that has all the bells and whistles, you cannot go wrong with Chanel. I just think this is a really, really, really nice scent. Keeping with Chanel, this is another one of my favorites on Clarence, and this is another one that he has repurchased several years. Platinum Egoiste, and this is by Chanel as well. It is also an Eau de Toilette. As you can see, this is one that he uses a lot. Now, this is one that Clarence will wear to the office, like during the day. This is a nice daytime scent. But it commands a room, and it's really powerful. Like if your guy does things like if his occupation during the day isn't as rugged and he's kind of like in and out of meetings and stuff like that, this is nice, especially for the spring and summer to me, because it's very masculine, but it's very light and fresh. I love this on Clarence. Clarence loves this scent. He has purchased it over and over and over again. He's about halfway through this bottle. He loves it. Also, you guys, if you go back several years ago, I think the video is like 7 years old, but I have a video where it's called like Upgrade Him or something, where I shared Clarence's fragrance collection at the time. You'll notice some of these are still in rotation for him. He's just purchased them. Well, I've repurchased them year after year after year. I'll try to leave it in the cards or linked below. All right, so now we're going to talk Burberry, and this is Burberry Brit Splash. Clarence has not worn this a lot, but I like it on him. I think this is the best like universal male spring summer scent. If he's like the type that doesn't really, I don't know, indulge himself in fragrance and he just really doesn't care, you want to get him something luxurious, but something that he can wear every day as well, this is it. Like I said, Clarence doesn't wear this too terribly much, but I love when he does because it smells so good on his body chemistry. Oh, this is like citrus, lemon, lime. I feel like it may even have like a pear undertone to it, but definitely good for hot, warmer months. I love this. This is Burberry Splash. The next one is an oldie but goodie. This is perfect for like your nephew, your little cousin. You don't know what to get him, but you want to get him something that's universally good, that you know everybody's gonna like. It's not gonna necessarily, you know, break the bank. That is this. This is Polo Red Clarence. I don't know if you can, like with the bottle, you can't see, but he's about halfway through this one. Oh, love it. This is also one of those really good universal every single day scents. If he, when Clarence worked in the automotive world of things and he was physically like in a garage, hands down, he would wear this all the time. He would wear this every single morning. And it's because it ain't doing too much. It's really easy. you smell good, you smell clean, you smell fresh, but you're not going to like necessarily impress. It's just a good smelling man. Very universal. This is also good for like teenagers. I think if you've got, you know, the young teens, 15, 16-year-old boy, this will be good. Very universal. The next one up is also from Burberry. This is Mr. Burberry Indigo. Girl, now this was a recent purchase for Clarence as well. I bought this for him. Was this the one I got him for Father's Day last year? Y'all, I promise y'all, I buy him something like every holiday or whatever, and so I can't always remember which one I got him for which occasion, but this one is so good. Now, he's worn this a handful of times only because this one is truly spring and summer. I would not have your man wearing this in the fall and winter, girl. It's just too light. But in the spring, especially in the summer, when it's like drenching hot, like really, really hot, the way this developed on Clarence's skin when he did wear it, it was like mid-July or something, or maybe it was my birthday dinner last year. I think I got this for him last year, Father's Day. He wore this, y'all, and and the way it was just like exuding off of his skin. Oh, I love this. This is clean. It's fresh. It smells like fresh out the shower. Good. I definitely think that it's good for spring and summer. If your guy goes to an office, like, you know, he can definitely wear this during the daytime. It's not going to offend. It's light. It's refreshing. It definitely has a lot of citrus notes in it, which is why I just think it's so good for spring and summer. But this is an excellent scent, and I love when Clarence wears this. It's Mr. Burberry Indigo. Okay, so y'all, I mentioned in the beginning that when I first met Clarence, he wore Issey Miyake and Dior's Fahrenheit. Well, I got him to stop wearing the Issey Miyake, like the standard one. You guys know, the one that's in like the frosted bottle. And I picked him up the Le Eau d'Issey Pour Homme Intense. And this one is so much better. This is very underrated. I got it from Macy's. I haven't seen it anywhere else. But it's so peppery, so spicy. This is a good nighttime scent. It has like a woodsy like undertone to it, but the top notes definitely like peppercorn. This is so spicy, but refreshing. This and this smell similar, but this smells like the lighter version of it. This is very peppery, very spicy. This has a spice in it too, but more of that smoke. This is good for the evenings, maybe like more spring, summer evenings, whereas this is like just different. This is good. I love this. But this is very peppery, very spicy, but very like, you want to get in the side of his neck area right here. That's what this does. Like, oh, I just want to get in the side of your neck like a grown baby. But yeah, this is the bomb. So if you feel like the Issey Miyake, I'm sorry, this undershirt is bothering me, but if you feel like the original Issey Miyake is just too light, too spring, too summer, this is a really, really a good alternative. And this is the intense version. And then last but not least, we gotta stick with Chanel, y'all. And it's the Allure Home Sport. This is just a small bottle. He used to have a big bottle. When we went to repurchase this, they did not have any of the big bottles available. This is another one that Clarence wears on a regular basis, like just day to day. Like he doesn't want to think about it. He will just pick this up and wear it. He wears this to play basketball. He wears this just if we go out to like sports bars to eat wings and like watch a game. This is just... For Chanel, it's basic. You know what I'm saying? It's very basic, but it is so good. He loves this. I can't tell y'all how many times I've repurchased this for him as well. Like I said, at one point he had the larger bottle. The last time we repurchased it, they did not have the larger bottle. So we had to stick with, this is the 1.7 fluid ounce. Next time when it runs out, I hear it's kind of low. I will definitely buy him the bigger one, but this is definitely a sporty fragrance. It's almost like the more souped up, luxurious version of this, if I'm being completely honest. So if you want to kind of keep it more on a luxury scale, but you want something that they can wear every day, this Allure Home Sport is the bomb. All right, everybody, that is all I had. I hope you guys found something that you feel like, oops, sorry, y'all. I hope you guys found something that you feel like you would want to get for your significant other. I know sometimes shopping for men can be hard, even when it comes to cologne, because it can just be overwhelming, because in my opinion, a lot of men fragrances smell the same. But these are the ones that I have purchased for Clarence over the years that I just love on his body chemistry. And like I said, I have smelled others on other men and they smell equally as good. One being the Blue de Chanel. This smells good on all men. So does the Polo Red. This comes in a Polo Blue, a Polo Green, but the red is just really universal. And another one that I've smelt on other men that smells really good is the YSL. So if you're looking for something to get your significant other or the man in your life when it comes to cologne, definitely consider these. I will make sure to leave everything linked in the bottom bar below. As always, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back and joining me. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out. I'll see you guys in the next one.